Are you over 50 and worried about losing strength, energy, or mobility? You are not alone. Millions of Americans face the same challenge every day. But here's the good news. Today, I'm going to show you one single exercise that research proves can transform your body, no matter your age. This exercise will help you build strong, toned muscles, improve balance and flexibility, boost energy and metabolism, protect your joints and lower back. And the best part, you can do it right at home. No gym, no expensive equipment needed. So stay with me until the very end, because I'll teach you exactly how to do it safely, how often you should practice, and what results you can expect in just a few weeks. And before we start, hit the like button. Leave me a comment telling me your biggest fitness challenge after 50, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tip to stay strong, healthy, and active at any age. Now, most people think you need long workouts or heavy gym sessions to get results after 50, but that's simply not true. Your body doesn't need complicated workouts. It needs something that works with your natural movements, keeps your joints healthy, and helps you stay mobile. And according to Harvard Health and the National Institute on Aging, strength training is one of the most powerful tools for aging well. It helps reverse muscle loss, protects your bones, improves balance, and even reduces the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and falls. And the best single exercise you can do to achieve all of that is the squat. Yes, the humble squat is one of the most effective, full-body exercises for people over 50. Why squats work so well after 50 strengthens your legs and hips. These muscles are the foundation of your mobility. They help you walk, climb stairs, and stay independent. Improves core stability. A stronger core supports your spine, reduces back pain, and helps you maintain good posture. Boosts your metabolism. More muscle mass means your body burns more calories, even when you're sitting. Supports healthy joints. Squats keep your knees, hips, and ankles flexible and well lubricated, reducing stiffness and pain. Think of squats as strength training, balance training, and joint therapy, all rolled into one. How to do squats safely, step by step. Let me walk you through it step by step. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart, chest up, shoulders relaxed. Lower. Slowly, imagine you're about to sit in a chair. Push your hips back first, then bend your knees. Go as low as comfortable. You don't need to go very deep, only as far as your knees and hips feel good. Keep knees behind toes. This keeps your knees safe. Push back up. Use your legs to stand tall again, keeping your back straight. If you want an even safer version, try chair squats. Simply sit down and stand up from a sturdy chair. It's the perfect starting point for beginners. Start with 2 sets of 8 to 10 repetitions, 3 times a week. Over time, as you get stronger, add a 3rd set or hold light dumbbells for extra resistance. I've seen people in their 60s and even 70s go from struggling to get out of a chair to walking several miles a day, all thanks to adding squats to their weekly routine. The key is consistency. A few minutes, a few times per week can completely change the way your body feels and how you live your life. So if you want to stay strong, protect your joints, and feel younger after 50, start doing squats today. If this video was helpful, hit like, share it with a friend who wants to stay healthy after 50, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly tips to keep you strong, healthy, and independent. Your future self will thank you.